What's going on, everyone? It's Graham Stephen here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 3 dropshipping secrets that every entrepreneur should know in 2024. Listen, if you're looking to level up your e-commerce game and crush it in the online business world, you absolutely do not want to miss this. We'll be uncovering some seriously valuable strategies that can help you optimize your operations, boost your profits, and stay ahead of the competition. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get right into it. Whether you're a seasoned dropshipper or just starting out, these secrets will provide you with actionable insights to take your business to the next level. Remember, the e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving, so staying ahead of the curve is crucial for long-term success. By implementing these secrets, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving and sustainable dropshipping empire. So without further ado, let's jump into the first secret and unlock the power of AI for your dropshipping business. Now, the first secret to dominating the dropshipping game in 2024 is all about harnessing the incredible power of AI, specifically for customer service. You guys know I'm all about efficiency and maximizing profits, and let me tell you, AI is an absolute game changer when it comes to streamlining your customer service operations. We're talking about reducing response times, improving customer satisfaction, and freeing up your valuable time to focus on growing your business. It's like having a team of virtual assistants working around the clock to provide top-notch support to your customers. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, AI sounds expensive and complicated. But trust me, it's becoming increasingly accessible and affordable, even for smaller dropshipping businesses. There are tons of incredible AI-powered tools out there designed specifically for e-commerce, and many of them offer free trials or affordable monthly plans. These tools can automate tasks like answering frequently asked questions, providing order updates, and even resolving basic customer issues, all without you having to lift a finger. So how exactly can you leverage AI for customer service in your dropshipping business? One of the most effective ways to utilize AI for customer service is by implementing AI-powered chatbots on your website. These intelligent bots can handle a massive volume of customer inquiries simultaneously, providing instant responses and ensuring that your customers feel heard and valued. No more keeping customers waiting for hours or even days for a response to their emails. With AI chatbots, you can provide instant support 24/7 without breaking the bank on hiring a large customer service team. Think about it. How many times have you gone to a website and seen that little chatbot pop up in the corner, ready to answer your questions? It's becoming increasingly common, and for good reason. Customers love the convenience of getting instant answers, and businesses love the efficiency and cost savings that AI chatbots provide. But it's not just about answering simple questions. AI can also analyze customer data to provide personalized product recommendations, just like a savvy salesperson in a brick-and-mortar store. By understanding your customers' browsing history, purchase behavior, and preferences, AI can suggest products they're more likely to be interested in, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. And let's be real, who doesn't love a personalized shopping experience? Beyond product recommendations, AI can also personalize the entire customer support journey. Imagine an AI system that remembers a customer's past interactions, understands their individual needs, and tailors its responses accordingly. This level of personalized support can make your customers feel valued and appreciated, leading to increased loyalty and positive word-of-mouth referrals. And we all know that loyal customers are the lifeblood of any successful business. Now let's talk about efficiency. AI can automate repetitive customer service tasks, such as answering frequently asked questions, processing returns, and providing order tracking information. This frees up your human customer service agents to focus on more complex issues that require a human touch, like handling complaints or providing personalized advice. By automating these tasks, you can significantly reduce response times and improve the overall efficiency of your customer service operations. Think about it, time is money, and every minute your team spends on repetitive tasks is a minute they could be spending on more strategic initiatives that grow your business. AI allows you to optimize your resources, reduce overhead costs, and provide a faster, more efficient customer experience. It's a win-win situation for both you and your customers. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications in the realm of customer service. From sentiment analysis that can detect customer frustration to predictive modeling that can anticipate customer needs, AI is poised to revolutionize the way businesses interact with their customers. By embracing these advancements, dropshippers can gain a significant competitive advantage and build stronger relationships with their customers. Remember, investing in AI is not just about keeping up with the latest trends, it's about making smart business decisions that will pay off in the long run. By leveraging the power of AI for customer service, you can create a more efficient, scalable, and customer-centric business that's built for success in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. So, stay ahead of the curve, embrace the power of AI, and watch your dropshipping business soar to new heights. All right, moving on to our second dropshipping secret for 2024, and that's niche market focus. Now, you might have heard this before, but trust me, it's worth repeating because so many entrepreneurs try to be everything to everyone, and that's a recipe for disaster. When you try to target a broad audience, you're competing with a massive pool of other businesses, many of which are much larger and more established than you. It's like trying to stand out in a sea of sameness. And let's be real, it's tough to make a splash that way. Instead of trying to be everything to everyone, focus on becoming the go-to expert for a specific niche market. This means identifying a smaller, more targeted group of customers with unique needs and interests that you can cater to better than anyone else. By specializing in a niche, you'll face less competition, attract more qualified leads, and ultimately, boost your profit margins. It's all about finding your lane and owning it. Now, you might be wondering, Graham, how do I find my perfect niche? Well, it starts with a little self-reflection and market research. Think about your passions, interests, and areas of expertise. What are you genuinely knowledgeable about? What problems are you passionate about solving? Once you have a few ideas, it's time to validate them through market research. Look for niches with a decent search volume, indicating there's an active audience interested in those products or services. But be careful not to go too broad or too narrow. You want a niche that's big enough to be profitable, but small enough to allow you to stand out from the crowd. Remember, it's all about finding that sweet spot. Focusing on a niche market offers numerous benefits for dropshippers. Firstly, as I mentioned earlier, you'll face less competition, making it easier to rank higher in search results, attract customers, and establish yourself as a leader in your space. This reduced competition can also translate into higher profit margins, as you won't have to constantly lower your prices to compete with the big dogs. Secondly, targeting a niche allows you to tailor your marketing efforts more effectively. You can create highly targeted ads, content, and social media campaigns that resonate deeply with your ideal customers. This targeted approach leads to higher conversion rates and a lower cost per acquisition, meaning you'll get more bang for your marketing buck. And who doesn't love that? Niche focus also enables you to build a strong brand identity that truly connects with your target audience. By specializing in a particular product category or catering to a specific customer persona, you can craft a unique brand voice, aesthetic, and messaging that resonates deeply with your ideal customers. This strong brand identity will help you stand out from the competition, foster customer loyalty, and ultimately drive more sales. Think about some of the most successful brands out there. They all have one thing in common: a clear and defined brand identity. They know who they are, who their customers are, and what they stand for. By focusing on a niche, you can achieve that same level of brand clarity and build a loyal following that resonates with your values and messaging. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to dominate it. This means becoming an expert in your chosen field, providing exceptional customer service, and consistently delivering high-quality products that meet the unique needs of your target audience. By going above and beyond for your customers and establishing yourself as a trusted authority in your niche, you'll build a loyal following that will help you achieve sustainable growth and long-term success. Remember, niche focus is not a one-time decision. It's an ongoing process of refinement and optimization. As you learn more about your customers and their needs, you can adjust your products, marketing, and overall business strategy to better serve them. By staying agile and adapting to the ever-changing market, you can ensure that your dropshipping business remains competitive and profitable for years to come. Now, let's talk about a trend that's not just a fad, but a fundamental shift in consumer behavior: the demand for sustainable and ethically sourced products. Gone are the days when price was the only factor shoppers considered. Today's consumer, especially younger generations like Gen Z and millennials, are increasingly willing to spend more on products that align with their values. They want to know where their products come from, how they're made, and the impact their purchases have on the planet and the people involved in the production process. This shift in consumer behavior is being driven by a number of factors, including increased awareness of social and environmental issues, the rise of social media, and a growing desire for transparency from businesses. As entrepreneurs, we need to recognize this shift and adapt our businesses accordingly. By embracing sustainable and ethical sourcing practices, we can not only appeal to this growing segment of conscious consumers, but also build a more responsible and profitable business in the long run. What exactly does it mean to source sustainably and ethically? In essence, it's about ensuring that the products you sell are made from environmentally friendly materials, produced under fair labor conditions, and don't contribute to harmful practices like deforestation or pollution. This might sound daunting, but it doesn't have to be. There are a number of resources available to help you find suppliers who meet these criteria. Start by researching certifications like Fair Trade, GOTS, Global Organic Textile Standard, and B Corp. These certifications indicate that a supplier meets certain social and environmental standards. You can also look for suppliers who are transparent about their practices and have a clear commitment to sustainability. Remember, sourcing sustainably and ethically is not just about ticking boxes. It's about building a business that you can be proud of. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but won't sourcing ethically eat into my profits? While it's true that ethically sourced products may sometimes come at a slightly higher cost, this can be easily offset by the premium that conscious consumers are willing to pay. In fact, studies have shown that consumers are willing to pay up to 20% more for sustainable products. Don't be afraid to highlight your commitment to ethical sourcing in your marketing materials. Consumers are more likely to trust brands that are transparent about their values. Use your website, social media, and product descriptions to tell the story behind your products and the positive impact your business is having on the world. In today's competitive e-commerce landscape, building trust with your customers is more important than ever. When you source sustainably and ethically, you're not just selling a product, you're selling a story, a set of values that resonates with your target audience. This can lead to increased customer loyalty, positive reviews, and word-of-mouth marketing, all of which are invaluable for the long-term success of your dropshipping business. Moreover, by aligning your business with ethical practices, you're not just attracting customers, you're attracting like-minded employees, partners, and investors. People want to be part of something they believe in, and a commitment to sustainability can be a powerful differentiator in a crowded marketplace. The bottom line is this: sustainable and ethical sourcing is not just a trend, it's the future of e-commerce. By embracing these practices, you're not just doing good for the planet and the people in your supply chain, you're also positioning your dropshipping business for long-term success. Consumers are demanding it, and those who ignore this shift in consumer behavior risk being left behind. Remember, every purchase is a vote, and consumers are increasingly voting for businesses that share their values. By making ethical sourcing a core part of your dropshipping business, you're not just selling products, you're building a better future. So there you have it, 3 dropshipping secrets that can help you crush it in 2024. By leveraging the power of AI for customer service, focusing on niche markets, and embracing sustainable and ethical sourcing, you can set your business apart from the competition and build a brand that resonates with today's conscious consumer. Thanks for watching. If you found these secrets helpful, Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to succeed in the world of e-commerce. See you in the next video.